In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use green and blue screen techniques in your video editing, ensuring a seamless and professional look to your final project. We'll walk through the process of keying out a green or blue background step by step. This technique is incredibly useful for any video editor looking to integrate a different background into their footage effortlessly. Let's start by importing your footage into the timeline. This is the foundation of your project, so ensure that your clip is in place first. If you're planning to replace the background of your footage, you'll want to add your new background directly underneath your clip on the timeline. This setup is crucial because the background needs to be positioned exactly where the removed section of your original footage will leave space. Next, take your green or blue screen clip and focus on it by navigating to Effects. Under Video Effects, locate the Keying option. Within Keying, you'll find Ultra Key. Apply the Ultra Key effect to your clip. It's a powerful tool for this purpose. With your clip selected, shift your attention to Effect Controls. This section is key to your success in making the background disappear. Within the Ultra Key options, there's an eyedropper tool next to Key Color. Click it, and then click on your clip's green or blue background in the program monitor. This action is vital. It tells the software exactly which color you want to remove from your footage. Now, let's delve into the Ultra Key's settings. Set the output option to Alpha Channel. This will allow you to check your progress with transparency. This part might look a bit unconventional, as it presents the transparency in black and white. Black meaning the background has been removed. Refining your key is essential. In the matte generation settings, there are several sliders like transparency and pedestal. Adjust these to fine-tune how much of the green or blue you're removing. You want to strike a balance here, ensuring the background is gone without erasing any part of your subject. Further refine the edges using matte cleanup. Adjust the choke and soften settings to clean up the edges of your subject. This can make a significant difference, especially if there are any stubborn edges that need tidying. Let's not forget spill suppression. If your subject appears to have a colored reflection cast by the original background, tweaking this setting helps neutralize that spill, which can be crucial for a more natural blend with your new background. Once everything looks just right and your subject is cleanly keyed, double-check that your replacement background is strategically placed on a lower track in the timeline. This setup ensures it fills the gaps left by the keyed-out background. Finally, don't skip the playback. Watch your clip to spot any artifacts such as edge fuzz or transparent patches, adjusting settings as necessary. This final step ensures your video looks polished and professional.